When it comes to voting this election season, ID or no ID? That is the question in this week's Facts Over Fear. According to House Minority Leader Republican Brian Cutler of Lancaster, he believes that simply requiring a state-provided identification at each election is the best way to enhance election security. House Bill 891, which has been in the House State Government Committee since April of 2023 and is sponsored by Republicans, would amend Pennsylvania's constitution to require valid voter identification in order to vote in every election. But why? If you ask the House Democrats, this is nothing more than a political stunt. There's very little evidence to suggest that voter fraud is a significant problem in the United States, with critics suggesting instead that the purpose of these laws is to suppress voter turnout. In fact, in February, it was reported that Republicans in Pennsylvania subsequently spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on legal bills and an election investigation contractor that has yet to issue a public report on its findings. Voter ID laws can be misleading. Some people may not understand which forms of identification are even acceptable, which discourages people to vote or even leads to long lines and delays in polling places. It can also be costly to get government-issued IDs. Until Republicans can prove that voter ID is necessary to prevent so-called fraud, the American people will not jump through hoops to exercise our right to vote. And that, my friends, is a fact.